Hi, my name is Andrea Bernal. I enjoy the work that I currently do in Harinera del Valle. When I see the results and when people congratulate me for it, I really feel great. Before reaching the job of my dreams, I must train myself professionally. This is why I begin to study industrial engineering because I think my ideal job would be to be an engineer in charge of the production of a company. I would also be quite pleasant the idea of occupying a managerial position in which I have the opportunity to travel, interact with people who can provide me with greater knowledge in my work and know different companies, teamwork, and a healthy environment with a good salary with which I can offer benefit, comfort, and a good education to my daughter.